So here's where the bridge is. You got to go over this bridge, and about a mile or so, maybe a kilometer past the bridge, not even actually, a lot shorter than that, maybe a kilometer from here, you get to like a 7-Eleven on the left, and you pass that, and then there's like another store, and then there's like a road that you take a left on. So right down this road, Soy 5 is where you take a left, where this sign is right here, pointing 4 kilometers, which is about 2.5 miles towards the Buddha Images Cave. And there's a restroom you can use there if you need to. Big coffee house here. Then you pass this place called Waterside, Moon River Cave. So here's the Buddha Images Cave, but it's not just one cave, it's like a few caves, and it's really nice, and you can stop and use the restroom here too. So a mile or maybe a kilometer past Buddha Caves, you get to this highway that you have to cross to get to the other side of where that road is across the street, see? So I just crossed the street. We're going to cross here real quick. Across the other part of the street. See, there's a lot of cars over here. You got to be really careful here. So when you cross the street, you take an immediate right, and then you take a left on this street. I don't know what it's called, but that's pretty much the last time that you have to deal with that kind of traffic between here and the waterfall. So now I'm 3 kilometers past the Buddha Images Cave and 7 kilometers past Chiang Rai, the town. So I gotta go a little bit farther down this road. This road, you get to a little fork here where you could go right or left. There's a sign that says Miao District Municipality Office. And you take a right here. This is where you take a right. Do haircuts here and stuff?
Yes.
Wow, that's so cool. And then we come up to our watermelon man right here. Woohoo! I consider the watermelon stand with Song my halfway point. I'm not sure if it's halfway to the waterfall, but somewhere not too far from it. Hello, buddy! Some mango over here. Look at that precision. Okay, so curve this road past the watermelon and you just go a couple miles down. So just a few minutes past Song's watermelon stand, you can see that we are 11 kilometers from the waterfall. It's about like 6.8 miles. So just a few paces down, you can see that you have to take a left here. It's pretty much just follow the signs from here on out, you know. So taking a left here. Yui Mei Sai, 9 more kilometers from here. You see where you come into this little area here with the little arc over here. You got 9 more kilometers, so that's like 5.5, somewhere around there. Reduce speed. No, I gotta increase speed. Not gonna get there by dark. So you get to this street right here, you gotta take a left. As you can see, you're 8 kilometers from Huey Mezai now. Now we're 6 kilometers from the waterfall, or about 3.6 miles. This is a beautiful resting spot right here. Take a little water. So waterfall, Huey Mezai waterfall, 4 kilometers, which is about 2.4 miles. So good uphill right here. Okay, so we're 1 kilometer away from Huey Mezai waterfall. Gonna take this street towards the left. "500 meters. Well, I made it to the waterfall, so I gotta turn around and hurry back because it's already 4:30 p.m. It'll be dark in like an hour, so gotta hurry back. Bon voyage, time to turn around and go back to the city. Hello. How are you? That's very impressive.